Manzil is a center for people with special needs. The word Manzil itself means destination or home. Manzil's destination is mainstream society. We believe that somewhere along the way, our students, people with special needs, have been marginalized, and our goal is inclusion. Now, we do inclusion at 3 different levels: at the social level, at educational level, and at the vocational level. The one that we are very, very proud of is the vocational inclusion. We call this our PRIDE program. PRIDE standing for People Receiving Independence and Dignity Through Employment. We launched PRIDE 2010 September, and our main sponsor for PRIDE has been Abraj. It's a 2-phased program. In phase 1, we do all the life skills that are required to live independently in society. In phase 2, we look at the skills of our students. We look at what's required by the market. And thirdly, we also look at interest of our students, because it's very important to match all of these 3 things. We have people who are training for office skills, and then there are those who we don't see them working in an office environment, in which case they go into a program called ME. ME standing for Micro Enterprise, ME, and it also is about I can do this myself. So we've set up little micro enterprise for them where they do various skills, whatever their skills might be. Once that is done and they get back into the center, then they graduate, and then we actually try and get jobs either with the places that they have already been to or new places with similar kinds of requirements.
We have 2 graduates today who are Mustafa Bhat and Nader Alam. And Mustafa is 20 and Nader is 22 years old. Mustafa is a student with Down syndrome. Nader has very mild learning disability. They have been in a hotel placement now, first of all, for a month.
I enjoyed my placement.
And then now they are in an office placement where they do basic office skills like photocopying and filing. Nader actually would like to be in sales, so we will see what options he will have.
Today, Mustafa is graduating. It was last week, actually, on my birthday, that someone came in and told me, God, these things. She said, you can't have a better birthday gift, because I was seeing Mustafa practicing for his graduation, and she said, you've seen this boy grow and step out into the real world, and he is now going to support his family. And I tell you, that was the best gift I've ever had in my life. Our students are our pride, and had it not been for the funding that came in and the support that we've got from Abraj Capital, this would have never happened.
That's always the touching part, when they actually graduate and then they get the jobs and when they succeed in what they're doing.
We look at people in categories. There are people who can and there are people who can't. And then let's do things for them. And I've always believed that each one of us can. There's nobody who can't. So my whole focus with Manzil is identifying the potential and taking them through with that to survive and to live life to its fullest. My dream is to see my students out there in the real world doing everything else that anyone else does.